Yesterday I was dealing about the cholera. In that I had discussed what is history of cholera, then what is the scenario of cholera in India and world, then the epidemiological pattern of cholera, that is agent, host and environment, clinical features of cholera, and how to diagnose the cholera. So after the diagnosis comes, now we have diagnosed the cholera. Suppose the particular patient is suffering with the cholera infection. Now how to control that cholera? As I told you, if you don't treat the cholera, mortality, death rate is almost 30 to 40%. If 100 patients are suffering with the cholera infection, and if not treated, the death is 30 to 40%. Means 30 to 40 patients may die. So you have to be very much careful while treating the cholera. Aggressive treatment has to be carried out. Main aim of cholera, control of cholera or the treatment of the cholera patient is to reduce the mortality, death rate from 30 to 40% to less than 1%. This is the main aim, and this is achieved by, number one, only achieved by early diagnosis and prompt treatment. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment has to be carried out when you diagnose or you suspect the cholera. How to suspect? I told you very simple thing. Patient has got profuse, effortless, painless diarrhea. Typical diarrhea is rice water stool. Rice water stool. Patient passes more than 40 stools per 24 hours in a day. Then you have to be careful about that, because lot of body fluid is lost. Maybe 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter body fluid in the form of stool, rice water stool, or in the form of vomitus. So treatment has to be suspect the diarrhea, start diagnose it, and give the prompt treatment. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment is the main motto of this treating the diarrhea. Once you diagnose this, the notification has to be done to the local authority, that is civil surgeon or MOH of Solapur Municipal Corporation or state health ministry and central health ministry. So this notification, so cholera is a notifiable disease. As COVID is a notifiable disease. Similarly, cholera is a notifiable disease. So early diagnosis, prompt treatment, notification of the, and start the treatment as soon as suspect. What to start now? Very simple. There are only 2 ways of treating this cholera patient. Number 1 is oral rehydration solution, ORS.